On today's episode, will cattle farming be worth venturing? Find out with the experiences of Jensen's Pride, ang Jolisa Agribusiness Corporation. Learn how cattle confinement is done to produce quality meat with the top producers. Planning for a zero-waste household? Pwedeng-pwede with a black soldier fly larvae system. Ihanda ang inyong mga sisiw sa pagiging champion by giving the right vaccine. Ang Gumburo! It may be a big business to deal with, but cattle farming is surely worth venturing. Alamin ang industriya ng cattle farming sa bansa based on the experiences of Jensen's Pride, ang Jolisa Agribusiness Corporation. Just like anyone who starts a business, testing the waters is important. Jolisa Agribusiness Corporation started with a few heads hanggang sa makakita ito ng potential sa cattle farming.
Yeah, my boss started this at the year 1984 with 3 heads, and then pinapakain niya yung parang backyard. It so happened na nakita niya there is a potential business in cattle industry. So since 1984, from 3 heads, it have an additional of another 50 heads, then additional of 100 heads, and then medyo gumaganda yung takbo ng fattening. So he invest more on additional number of heads for breeding and fattening.
It's been 30 years since the establishment of this business at nakakita ng malaking potential ang Jolisa Agribusiness Corporation sa ganitong negosyo dahil sa malaking average daily gain na naidudulot nito.
Since 1984 up to at present, that is 2014, that is the numbers of years. But this area was started since 1994. Nakita ng boss ko na may potential siya in fattening in the sense because of the tinatawag na EDG, yung average daily gain is medyo maganda.